2017 Keystone Carbon 357 toy hauler for sale in Ankeny, Iowa 50023. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Keystone Carbon 357 toy hauler. This luxury toy hauler is 38.92 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 9 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 power retractable slide-outs and 1 16-foot power retractable awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2017 Keystone Carbon 357 is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious toy hauler your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include cherry wood WorkPlank FlooringCarpetCorian countertops, 3-burner gas cooktop stove / oven microwave fridge / freezer sink wrap around dinette that makes into a BedFlat screen, TelevisionOutside EntertainmentSurround SoundDVD / CD / StereoLeather sofa, SleeperMatching Loveseat bath and a hack with glass enclosed shower in the main BathOutside, ShowerQueen island BedDay and night, ShadesDual air and forced air furnace, 10-foot garage that is drop-down BedsAdditional beds in the loft area that will sleep, TwoFueling station, 5.5 kW Onan gas generator and much more. This 2017 Keystone Carbon 357 is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This toy hauler is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2017 Keystone Carbon 357 toy hauler can be yours.